Let's be honest, stuffing a regular AirTag into a slim wallet, it ruins the leather and completely destroys your minimalist carry. But what if you could have all that tracking power in something the size of a credit card? Welcome back to Tech with Erik, where we upgrade your setup and test the premium gadget you actually need. I'm checking out the ultimate wallet tracker, the new AirCard Pro Dual from Rolling Square. Let's dive in. If you appreciate the premium design, you're going to love this. At just a few millimeters thick, it slips into any wallet effortlessly. Built from CNC machined aluminum and tempered glass, it feels incredibly solid. And here is the best part. No more buying disposable batteries. When the battery runs low after about a year, just drop it on a standard wireless charger and you're good to go. Let me tell you about one of its best features. Until now, you had to choose a side, Apple or Android. But now, Rolling Square has fixed it. You are able now to use this card also for iOS and also for Android devices using their native app. Find My on iPhone or Find My device on Android. Let's dive in and set it up. First you have to boot up your AirCard, press it for 5 seconds, and then you'll enter the Find My app on your iOS or Android device. Once there, you click on plus to add a new item and select other items. Now it will automatically check for the AirCard. Once the AirCard is detected, it will appear. You will select the name for this, let's say wallet, and connect. You also can check for an emoji and click continue. This will add your AirCard to your account. But how do you actually find it when you lose it? Just open the app on your phone and play a sound on the device. It has a built-in speaker that is remarkably loud, so you'll hear it even if it's buried in the couch. Now you might be thinking, Erik, if it's that easy to set it up, what happens if someone steals my wallet? Can they just factory reset the device and use it as their own? No. This is not possible, they can't. Just like an iPhone, the AirCard Pro has something like an activation lock. Even if a thief performs a hardware factory reset by pressing the factory reset button, the card remains locked onto your account unless you manually remove the device from your app first. Like this, it's completely useless. The AirCard Pro has another hidden trick. It can be used actually as a business card using NFC. Just tap it against anyone's smartphone and it instantly pulls out your contact info, social links or portfolio. It's basically the ultimate everyday carry gadget you need. If you'd like to buy this device, I left a link with the AirCard in the description below. Are you guys currently using any tracker for your wallet or keys? Let me know in the comments. And drop a like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more tech reviews. And see you in the next one. Bye!